As you are all aware about current pandemic situation, the whole world is suffering from COVID-19. For safety and preventing from COVID-19, we are introducing a new product which is very helpful and highly recommended by the doctors and the experts in sanitizing things.
As you are all aware about current pandemic situation, that whole world is suffering from COVID-19. For safety and preventing from COVID-19, we are introducing a new product which is very helpful and highly recommended by the doctors and the experts in sanitizing things, that is UV sterilizer lamp. वैसे तो आप लोगों ने मार्केट में बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स देखे होंगे या यूज किए होंगे लाइक सैनिटाइजर, मिस्ट स्प्रे, फॉग, but using them you have to take lot of safety measures and precautions as it can catch fire or we cannot use directly on food items as it is very harmful for us. आपने बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे होंगे where people are applying spray sanitizer on electronic items like mobile phones, laptop, keyboard, iPads. But these electronic items are not IP65 protected. That means they are not water or moist proof. So these sprays can damage circuit board of electronics item or even can blast and catch fire easily. Also, you cannot use sanitizer on baby care products like milk bottles, toys, nipples, toiletries, food item, vegetable or kitchen utensils or any other surfaces. Sanitizer cannot be used as it is made up of alcohol chemical substance which is very harmful and can affect human body. As per study, using more of sanitizer can cause dryness in skin and can also cause cancer substance in our body. Using UV sterilizer stick, you can resolve all your issues of sanitizing on all the surfaces because UV breaks DNA structure of virus and bacteria within few seconds of swipe with the effectiveness of 99.9% germs free. It is very handy, portable, easy to carry in your bag, anywhere, everywhere. Just put 4 AA batteries and it is ready to use to disinfect within 20 seconds on any object in your daily routine activities like masks, mobile phones, any electronic items, elevators, buttons, switches, doorbells, door handles, toilet seats, fingerprint attendance machine, currencies, keys, vehicle handles, vegetable, any packed parcel, baby care products, sofa, chair or any other surfaces.